6. Jaren's little brother is in Mrs. Holland's kindergarten class. This is page 146. Each Friday, the students spin a spinner to determine their activity center. What is the probability Jaren's brother will be in the art center on Friday? So what is this piece over here, the computer center? How much is it? A half. So then how much are these over here?
1/3.
No, not 1/3. They're a third of a half. So if I take a third
1/6.
of a half, I get 1/6. So this is 1/6, this is 1/6, and this is 1/6. 1/3 of a half. So what's the chance that he'll be at the art center? 1/6. That was easy. Okay. Mr. Losi allows his students to draw a prize from a grab bag on their birthday. The grab bag contains 3 movie passes. Your sound should be off. 5 museum tickets. 6 coupons for free ice cream sundae and 1 coupon for free video game rental. How many chances? Bye, honey. How many prizes does he get or does he have to choose from?
15.
8 plus 7 is 15 prizes. Where does the 15 go? It's the total and it goes where? Good. The denominator. What is the probability that the student will not draw a movie pass? So I want probability of not a movie. How many movies are there? 3. So 3 are movies. How many are not? 12. No, 15 total. So I take 15 and do what? 15 minus 3 is 12. So 12 not movies. For those of you that are having a hard time simplifying, I'm breaking this down. What times what gives me 12? Try something else because I don't have a 6 or 2 and a 15. 4 and 3. What times what gives me 15?
5 times 3.
5 and 3. Who can I cross out?
3.
The 3s. What am I left with?
4, 5.
Okay, so area is 4/5. Perimeter just times 4/5. Okay. Miss Likely wrote each letter of the word arithmetic on separate index cards. She asked her students to write a probability question in which the correct answer would be 2 out of 5. What 2 questions might a student write? So I want the probability of some event and the probability of another event, and then I'll put a question mark here to make it a question. What's in arithmetic? No, I don't need to look anything up. I just need to look at the word. What's inside the word? Okay, what do we need to do? Consider, what have we been doing? For each one of the, almost every single one of these problems, we've been doing this. I'm making a fraction. What goes in my fraction? The total. So what's the total in arithmetic? 10. What'd you do? You counted the letters. Something has to have something out of 10. So out of that 10, I also need to be what? Equivalent to 2/5. How do I get from 10 to 5? Divided by 2. What divided by 2 gives me 2? 4. What do I have 4 of in arithmetic?
14.
I don't have 4 T's. I have 2 T's.
What was the question?
What do I have 4 of in the word arithmetic?
Letters.
I got more than 4. I got 10 letters total. Okay, I have 4 vowels. Good. What are those vowels? A, E, and I. I have 2 I's, so that's 4. Probability of a vowel. And then what else do I have 4 of?
Consonant.
I have no, because if 4 of them are vowels, then 6 of them are consonants.
Yeah.
We got to get creative here because even I'm trying to think of something.
4 of them are after M in the alphabet.
4 of them are after M in the alphabet. Before M, what are the letters before M?
A, R, I, T, H.
T is not before M. A, 2 E's, I, and C, that's 5. Keep thinking though. Okay, so what about after M?
M, T, R.
3 what?
Razzo, your ride is here. Nicholas Razzo, your ride is here.
Are you not supposed to stay?
I am.
We'll just stick with the vowel for this one until Miss Starling can think of something else. So let's move on to another one so we can knock out a couple more. A ball pit. Okay. A ball pit at Jump Zone contains 150 balls of different colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. The number of red balls is 3 times as orange. So red equals 3 orange. The number of blue and green is exactly half the total number in the pit. So the total divided by 2, that's half, equals blue plus green. If there are 19 yellow balls, what is the probability a ball chosen at random from the pit will be red or orange? All right. So I need to add all these together. I have 19 yellow, then 3 times orange is my red, and then half of my total will be blue plus green. There's a lot going on here. So I need to take 150 and subtract 19. How much is that? 10 minus 9 is 1. 14 minus 1 is 131. 131 are not yellow. Okay, 3 times orange is red, and then half of the total. Oh, what's half of 150?
1.5.
What's half of $1.50? No, half of 50 cents is, or 50, no, 50 is half of $1. 75 is half of $1.50. So blue plus green equals 75 balls. No, I mean 750 because I have 150. Oh, and then I need to take, so 131, I need to take 75 away because I took out my yellow. So minus 75, I'm taking out the blue and green. So then I have 2, 11 minus 5 is 6, 12 minus 7 is 5, 56. So 56 is going to be my orange and red combined. So that means I need some more room. 3 times orange plus red equals 56. Try and figure out what orange is, or orange or red. Okay, in order to do this, 56 divided by 4 is 14. So then 3 times 14 is what? 3 times 14 is 42. So that's my orange.
42.
Yep.
14.
And 14 is my red.
Wait a second. Isn't red 3 times the number of
Wait, switch it around. Yes. Switch it around, switch it around. Orange is 14, red is 42.
You got it wrong there for a second.
It's fine. Miss Starling's not perfect. 19 are yellow, and then I need to figure out blue and green. But what is it asking for? It's asking about red or orange. So that's the 42, or that's the 56 that I needed anyway. I didn't need to go through all of this. So I need 56 out of what? Probability, red or orange. How many are red or orange?
Okay, 42 red, 14 orange.
So what's 42 plus 14? 56 out of what?
56.
All the balls in the pit
150.
out of 150.
56 out of 150.
Now simplify. Half of 56. 28. And then half of 150.
75.
28 75ths. Woo, that was a lot of work, but we did it.
Easy.
All right. A fair number cube is rolled. Write the probability as a percent. So on a number cube, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many prime numbers are there?
1, 3, 5.
One is neither prime nor composite. 3 and 5, and there's one more.
1, 5.
No, I already said 3 and 5. Prime number is a number whose factors are 1 and itself only.
1.
No, 1 is a unit. 2. So 2, 3, and 5. How many are prime?
Wait, what'd you say?
How many are prime?
4.
I just put a dot by them.
3.
And what is that? 3 out of what?
Out of 6.
Which is what as a percent?
50%.
50%. It says a percent. A multiple of 4. How many numbers here are multiples of 4? 1 out of? Okay, I'll need to convert that later. How many are not 2 or 4? No. 4 are not 2 or 4. 4 out of what? How many are not 0? Which is what? A whole, which is what as a percent? No. 100%. All of them are not 0. Okay, these need to be converted. Get ready to go. All